Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to share a positive news about the companies who are hiring, who are doing mass hiring, right? So till now we have been sharing news about companies who have been doing layoffs or who have been doing some cost cutting and they are laying off people, right? So you would have seen video on Accenture, Wipro, but now we are going to show you the companies who are doing mass hiring. Yes, you heard it very right. So this is a positive news that is coming up, and we have got the list of companies which are hiring freshers off campus. So let me share my screen. But before we move to that, so if you are watching this video for the very first time, so please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel for such positive updates. There are a lot of companies who are doing mass hiring these days. So these are the list of companies who have been hiring. And what I'll do is I'll also share these links in the comment section of this video. So you can go to this particular career link and you can apply over there. So first you can see this Nagaro. So this company is hiring. Then it's Virtuosa. Even this company is hiring, right? Then Zoho. So what you have to do is you have to just copy this link and you have to open in the careers link in the Google, and automatically you will be redirected to the career link page. Then there is CGI, Finance.ra, FIS, Fizzle, then IQVIA, so this company, then Geo, Mac Software, Optum, Publicis Sapient, Geekends, Ecolite, Airtel, Gartner, Herman, Yellow AI, Siemens, Samsung, VMware, Adobe, Amazon. So many companies are there. See, Cadence Design Systems, even this company is hiring. Then you have Clever Tap, Cisco, Dunzo, FamPay, Flipkart. I'm not sure if this is a correct link. They might not be hiring. Then, but still you can check it out once. Hacker Earth, then Morgan Stanley, Ernst Young, MyGate, McAfee, Oracle, Microsoft, PhonePe, PwC, Rakuten, Razorpay, SAP, MediaNet, Twilio, Beijus, TCS, Infosys. So there are a lot of companies which are hiring, right? Even Cognizant, Capgemini, DXC Technology, HCL. So these are all the companies who are doing mass hiring. So what I'll do is, this is the career link of those companies. So you just have to open this particular link in the Google. And if there are any opportunities with respect to your profile, with respect to your expertise, then you have to apply on those companies. Even they are doing freshers, they are hiring freshers off campus. So that also you can check it out once. Right. And before that, if you want to give some mock interviews on this channel, so it is absolutely free. We are conducting mock interviews on weekends, Saturdays, and Sundays, and it is free of cost. We are not charging anything, but it is just that you have to join with a good Wi-Fi internet connection so we can record the interview. It would be uploaded on the YouTube channel, right? So that's how we are doing it. And these are the list of companies where you can get a lot of job opportunities. Apart from that, I would also like to tell you about the Capgemini company who is hiring women professionals. So let me show you those job openings. So Capgemini is hiring women professionals in their company, and these are the grades. So one is consultant, experience 4 to 6 years. So if you have got experience in SAP field for Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and there are other locations also. So you can apply on their website with respect to these particular grade positions, right? And for senior consultant, experience 6 to 9 years. For manager, experience 9 to 12 years. So a lot of hiring is going on in the Capgemini company. So this is for Workday integration. SAP positions are there. Business analyst for telecom domain, then mainframe, then again Workday, SAP, ABAP, HANA. So these are all the lot of hirings are going on in these companies. You can also share your CV to this particular email address. And if this email address is not working, so you can directly open the Capgemini careers tab, and you can apply, you can upload your resume, you can fill your profile details over there, and you can also share your CV on this particular email address. So I'll put all these vacancies also in the comment section of this video, right? Workday payroll, Workday studio. Then for the manager level who is having experience of 9 to 12 years, so there might be uh, a possibility that women, due to the maternity, they would have taken a career gap, or due to the marriage they would have taken a career break, so they can also apply into these companies, right? Then there is SAP product owner in for Bangalore, then SAP asset accounting for Mumbai location, then Java API plus Kubernetes plus Azure. So this looks to be like a DevOps mix of Java and DevOps. So Pune, Mumbai, and Bangalore location. So these are all the vacancies that are there in these particular companies, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.